Welcome, my name is Peter Crithary. I'm the Marketing Manager for a large sensor acquisition at Sony Electronics, and I'm pleased to introduce to you today at NAB what we're showing behind me here is our valuable workflow alliance partners, in which they'll be demonstrating native XAVC editing, our new codec technology that's in our F5 and F55 in HD, 2K up to 4K, and we'll be also showing our SR codec, native editing and workflow support, and as well as our XDCAM 50 megabits 422. Not only does it include editing, but we'll show color grading and other types of workflows right behind me here. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy it.
My name is Randy Kuhnfield. I'm a colorist from Los Angeles. I'm here running the DaVinci Resolve. We're showing off the Resolve's capability of handling multiple codecs, multiple compression schemes, and how seamlessly it does so. What I have here is some F55 raw footage, but we can put multiple different types of footage. We can put the XAVC footage, we can put S-Log footage all on the same timeline. And the box basically handles all of that in the background fairly seamlessly. We're working at 4K. We can work at 2K, at HD. We can work with multiple resolutions on the same timeline. We can put many types of color correction, image enhancement. We can isolate areas, we can change speeds, we can do everything in ramps, we can change color correction along the course of a shot, we can move the shot, we can change the zoom on the shot. So basically, we're showing off the flexibility of the imaging systems that Sony has brought to the market. Probably the most significant improvement that we've seen is in the latitude of these files. We're capturing a range that exceeds that of 35 millimeter film. And that's the first time we can say that of a digital imaging system. We're actually at that point now where we've improved on what we used to have.
Right, so this is the Baselight color correction system. It works in real time at 4K, even at high frame rates. And it also works with the full dynamic range. We're looking at some F55 material right now. We can deal with both raw and XAVC compressed material. And there's a tremendous amount of dynamic range in a shot like this. We're actually using the ACES color workflow, so we can apply the ACES color transforms and grade completely in that Academy specified color space, which gives us a lot of range. So the original material, which was shot at night, has a lot of very dark shadows that are crushed, a lot of highlights that are blown out. But it's very easy for me to just bring up that contrast, and if I want to go in further into the highlights and dig detail out of the highlights, I can just key those and do an adjustment to recover some of that highlight detail, and of course continue playing and working in real time. So Baselight makes it very easy to bring in your EDL from Avid or Final Cut Pro, conform all your material at the highest quality, and then do all your final deliverables with the color that you want.
Hi, my name is Brian Norfolk. I am an Avid editor, and I will be demoing Avid support for the AMA plugins for the F5, the F55, and F65 cameras. It's a very simple process within Avid. Basically, I'm going to right-click on this bin right here. I can either link directly to the files, or I can link to a volume. So if you plug in a S/S card, whatever, I can link directly to that, import all the files, or import files individually. It's a very fast process. I've got the AMA plugins loaded, and I open it, and it comes into the bin, and voila! So I can edit with it. I can also export a file export out of Avid using the exact same format. So I can use the XAVC plugins, the SR, and actually the RAW as well. So I can stay in the same acquisition format and then take that file into Baselight or what have you for color grading. So it's a very simple process, in and out of Avid, and work of art.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Troughton. I'm from Autodesk, and I'm here with Quinn Richardson, my technical specialist, who is showing Flame Premium at the Sony booth. The reason we're here is because F65 format is supported in Flame Premium, and that means that we support it in grading, visual effects, and editing workflows. It's an integrated workflow where you can bring your Sony F65 format in directly, or you can bring it in through the ACES color space. So please drop by and check out what Quinn is showing at the booth.